Welcome back to Cozy Home. Today we are going to make a meal. We're going to do black bean sloppy joes. This is a plant-based diet that we do in our family, and I hope to help you guys to get healthy and have some healthy choices. This is like a comfort food. This is my first time trying this. I'm hoping it turns out really good because I love to have some comfort food. And also I am preparing it with some seasoned fries. So we're gonna eat this for our lunch. This is from Dr. McDougall's cookbook, one of his cookbooks. So this is his Dr. McDougall quick and easy cookbook. So guys, I just found this at the thrift store for $5 the other day, and these is all comfort foods in here. So I'm gonna start adding some of these quick easy meals. This says it takes, sorry for Ryder, he's excited. Ryder, shh. Okay, it says that it is going to serve 6 people and it takes 10 minutes to prep and 10 minutes for cooking time. That's amazing to have a full meal to do there in that time frame. So I've already got my fries in, so then it should be done by the time my sloppy joes are done. So I'm really excited about these things. I hope you guys do like these healthy choices that I'm helping you guys with. And if you do, let me know. I plan on adding these recipes maybe towards the end of my videos or in the middle of my videos. I don't know. I just want to help people out there to eat healthy and clean. It's changed our family in so many different ways. It's helped Ryder because he's gluten-free. So I'm excited to show you guys these recipes. So what you're gonna need, I'm gonna double my recipe because I have a family of 5 and they are all grown-ups pretty much. So what you're gonna need is 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, 1 can of black beans. You're gonna rinse and drain these. You're gonna need prepared mustard. I'm just gonna use regular mustard. I think it's the same. Tomato sauce, tomato sauce, 1 can of 8 ounces. Soy sauce, honey, and chili powder. And you're gonna need quick oats. And if you guys are totally vegan and you guys want to use a guava. I think I don't have enough honey for mine, so I'm gonna use a guava and honey because, like I said, we are plant-based and we do add a little bit of, I guess, I don't know if honey falls under vegan or not vegan. It's made by animals, so I can see people not accepting it, but in our family we do have honey for cooking. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place my onions, my chopped onions and my bell peppers into a pan. You're going to place your onions and bell pepper in the saucepan with 1/3 cup of water. You're going to cook your onions and bell peppers in a saucepan, and you're going to add 1/3 cup of water, and you're going to cook this until your vegetables are softened for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, you're going to smash your beans with a bean or a potato smasher. The recipe did say do not use a food processor. Now I'm going to add my beans to my onions and bell peppers since they're softened, and then I'm going to add all the other ingredients. I'm going to run through the ingredients for you guys. Don't forget, I did double mine, but I'm gonna let you guys know what you guys gonna need. you're gonna add your 1 5-ounce black beans in there. Then you're gonna add 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1/4 cup of quick oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of mustard, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and then you're also going to be using 6 whole wheat buns. Now that you have your ingredients, you are supposed to cover on low heat until it heats through, and that will take about 5 minutes. I did not add a lid to this, I just cooked it through, and Joel thought he needed to smash the beans a lot more. We like to toast our bread, so we went ahead and toasted our buns onto the skillet, and then you can serve this with some onions, tomatoes, lettuce, or pickles, or extra mustard and ketchup. I thought this tasted really good. I haven't had sloppy joes in for years, so I'm not for sure how they taste anymore, but this really did taste really good to me. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. I hope you guys enjoy this black bean sloppy joes, and let me know if you guys tried this out in the comments. Thank you.